Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. I haven't posted anything, but we're in the festive season and today I have some errands to run. I have my nails to get done today and I want to go to Target. So I said, why not just do a quick little vlog? So I have to get some matching PJs. I did order some, but unfortunately they are too small. So hopefully I get a pair in Target and I want to do some festive nails for the Christmas season. So come with me guys. My first stop is at the nail salon. My appointment is at 3:15 and it's to 3, so come and let's go get these nails done. So I'm at the nail salon now guys. I'm gonna do a pedicure and put some tips on. Finished product. I love it. Okay, so I'm at Macy's now, gonna look my comforter and what else again? Yeah, I think that's it.
That's why I feel.
Oh, this is so cute. Alright guys, so I'm in Macy's now and look what I got. Got my comforter for my bed. Hey guys, Merry Christmas. So it's time for me to open my gifts. time for gift number 1. Let me put my little thing right there. Can I leave my finger? Ooh. So I get a cute little leather ring. And a cute nose ring. So gift number 1 is jewelry. Alright, let's go for gift number 2. Ooh. I've been wanting a silver watch from a long time, and now I got it. Cutesy.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm loving my watch. I really needed this. It's been years since I haven't owned a silver watch, so this is perfect. The perfect gift. Alright, it's a gift number 3. Yeah, gift number 3 is a cute little white bag. I really needed a white purse as well, because I have a white slipper that I haven't worn and I got it for my birthday. So this white bag will go perfect with my slippers. How do I open? I can't open it.
Press the two side, I think.
Okay. Ooh. Really cute. Okay, loving them so far. Alright, so let's go for gift number 4. Gift number 4. so this one is, ooh, my cologne. Yeah, guys, I got a Prada cologne. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Wow.
That thing is so
This is my
flawless.
first.
Wow.
This is my first cologne from Prada, so I'm excited to even smell it. Oh. Now this smells like Christmas. Yeah. Yeah, really nice. Alright guys, so that is it for my Christmas gifts opening. I'm going back to cooking. Thank you all for watching. Have a Merry Christmas. Leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed as yet, guys. And I will see you on my next video. Peace out. Bye. Happy New Year when it comes. Mwah.